So we're going to take a look at what kind of travel weather awaits you. If you're headed out tomorrow, we've got to look at that and what you might encounter. Plus, it's a long holiday weekend. Most folks are off all weekend long. So we have a look at what you can expect because we are talking rain, we have snow, and we have very cold air. Looks as though we're actually going to set a new record for the latest first freeze. So we'll take a look at what morning you can expect that. But we'll start once again with that look outside where we have some raindrops showing up right now on the camera lens of downtown. That rain very recently moved through West Nashville. We heard it here on the rooftop at the station. We have got first alert weather days in effect through tomorrow morning and again on Saturday. Rainy travel still in store for tonight. I don't think we're quite done yet with the rain. We've got cold air that follows with our first freeze of the season, and snow showers are possible on Saturday night. Not a lot, not everyone's going to see it, but that possibility is there. Our temperatures so cold moving forward. Chilly 45 in the morning, and then we'll look for 30 on Friday. And that's where I'm talking about. That could be our first freeze for Nashville. If not Friday morning, it'll be on Saturday or Sunday or Monday because we are definitely going to see our temperatures in the 20s for those 3 mornings. As a matter of fact, that means that we are looking for a hard freeze for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, with those temperatures dropping down to below freezing and into the 20s coming up for those mornings. Right now we're tracking the rain that you're seeing right here on our satellite and radar combination. Pull out and show you that there's more of this system to move through before we are totally done. But it's the light rain that we're tracking tonight right now. A little heavier downpour in there from time to time. This is our first alert live radar, which shows you where you see the red and the yellow. That's where things are a little bit heavier. Now we could get an isolated thunderstorm or two, but for the most part, it's going to be mainly rain. There it is coming downtown. On that camera lens, we can see some of those showers. Our latest temperature, incredibly warm at 61 degrees. That's actually going to be our new high for the day because initially it was 60, so it's going to be 61 now. A south wind at 14 miles per hour. Stepping you through time, here are the showers as they continue to move across the mid-state. We do think the last of the wave will come in about 10 o'clock with a few stragglers behind that. By morning, it should be foggy in many locations, especially along the plateau. 46 degrees right around 6:30 in the morning. And for the afternoon high, it just hovers right there in the mid to upper 40s throughout the day. Some clearing will start to take place in the afternoon, so the sky will get just a little bit brighter, but still quite cold. And speaking of cold, we'll be down into the freezing and below category coming up on Friday morning, and a very chilly afternoon at 45 degrees for that high. Now let's track the snow we've been advertising. We are looking at that snow to come down with a little clipper, and that will provide us with just some light flurries, some light snow showers across southern Kentucky and right along that Tennessee-Kentucky line, dipping on down into the upper Cumberland, which is one of the most likely spots we could see some accumulation. This all clears out for sunshine coming up on Sunday. Now in terms of how much we're looking at, generally a dusting is what we're expecting. On Saturday night, there could be some areas pick up a tenth or two of snow. For our Thanksgiving traveling for tonight, if you're headed out this evening, please be careful. We've got still some showers to come before that starts to taper off. Temperatures remain quite pleasant though in the 50s. And tomorrow, your planner for Thanksgiving Day, 46 degrees at 6. Same at 9 o'clock with that cloudy sky continuing. A few breaks in the clouds as we get later into the afternoon. We do have a northwest wind, so it might be breezy from time to time. And looking ahead to Zoolumination for tomorrow night, if you'd like to go, they're actually going to be having it. At least the information I see looks that way. 43 degrees at 6 o'clock, 42 right around 8 o'clock. And it's always recommended that you buy your tickets in advance. Black Friday just around the corner if you're a big shopper and you like to get out and battle the crowds. 39 degrees at 10 o'clock, 42 at noon, and 45 degrees right around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's going to be a chilly day. If you're like me, I try to leave that coat in the car so I don't have to lug it around throughout the stores. For Thursday, we are looking at consistent temperatures. We went on and left our first alert weather day intact for the possibility of the morning fog and a few lingering showers that could impact your travel. 30 will be our morning low, 45 in the afternoon on Friday. And again, if we hit that 30, that is going to be a new record. The record first, let me say that correctly. The record latest first freeze was this morning. So we did not make that. So it's going to be a new record. We didn't tie that, is what I'm trying to say. It's going to be a new record. And that could be the 28th. If it's not the 28th, it will be the 29th. 24 degrees coming up on Saturday, 44 in the afternoon, and a little bit of snow. 39 degrees for you on Sunday. And look at those 20s hanging with us. And we will be in the 40s for afternoon highs Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And that is a wrap on our weather forecast for the next 7 days. Thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I appreciate all those who are watching my simulcast on my YouTube channel at youtube.com/c/Lisa Spencer. If you're over there, please subscribe. And also those who are watching on my YouTube channel. And if that is you, thank you so much. Be sure to follow me there and like my post. I would definitely appreciate it. I am thankful for you and thankful for WSMV. And we definitely appreciate you watching us here on our live stream. You can also check us out tonight on WSMV4 News at 10 o'clock, and we'll be streaming that live as well on your favorite app or right here on our own app as well. Have a happy, happy Thanksgiving.